came my album, so I'm gonna open it now and I'm gonna film my reaction. And I thought I would have my Love Yourself Tear album in the back and Cookie. So yeah, I'm so excited. I pre-ordered this album on January 26th and it came now, and I thought it was gonna come at the end of March because there was like some delay with Amazon and stuff, but it came today on February 28th. So yeah, I'm gonna open it now. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. It's got the #1 Billboard and Grammy nomination for Dynamite. It's on the plastic thing though, but I've seen people like take off the sticker and put on the actual album, which is what I'm probably gonna do. It's quite heavy, but I'm so excited. Okay, here I go. Here, I'm gonna rip it at the other side so I don't rip the sticker. Okay. I'm like being so careful because I want to keep the sticker, as I said. Okay, success. Oh my gosh. It smells like a new book. Okay. So yeah, so this is the hardcover shell. It's got fine writing on it. I'll do close-ups later, but this is it. And then you take it out from, I think, this side. And I did my nails to match. Oh my gosh, okay. So we have the poster here. Oh my gosh, okay. You won't be able to see me for a second, but oh my goodness. Look at Hobie. Okay, Hobie's my bias. Yes, okay. And then we have the CD, of course. It's upside down. Hold on. So we have the CD here. I'm so excited. Okay, it matches my aesthetic. And then we have the photo album book. I don't want to see the photo cards yet, so I'm going to... Okay, good. They're all upside down. Okay. These are the photo cards. Okay, just based off of the photo cards, these ones are all like sideways, and then this one is this way, so I'm guessing this is the photo card. I'm gonna show you guys it first. Okay, I'm nervous. Oh, it's Jim. Cute. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, and then these are the other ones. Yep. Hello. Please focus. Okay, so we have Namjoon. We got Yoongi, Jimin, Jungkook, Hobie, my bias, Taehyung, focusing, okay, and Jin. This one's probably one of my favorite photo cards just because I love the colors. Okay. Oh my gosh, so we have all of the pictures here. I'll do a close-up again. Oh my god. I'll do a close-up later, but oh, he's so pretty. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Mr. Worldwide Handsome. Oh, wait. Look at this picture. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I love all their different like rooms. Get Jimin. My bias wrecker, Namjoon. So handsome. Yoongi. Taehyung. I love this room. The colors, the green, the violin. It's very Taecore. And look. Can you tell who's my favorite? I don't think so. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay. And then there's like a lot of black and white photos. A big one here. And then all the songs. So yeah, this is everything. I'm so happy. Yeah. So much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you kind of got to, you know, feel the excitement with me as I unbox this video. Stay tuned for more videos, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye, take care.